What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a great day. Hope life is treating you well. Today I am going to be reviewing Woke AF High-stimulant pre-workout. Now, if you guys like reviews on pre-workouts or other supplements, feel free to hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get up to 20 subscribers by the end of the month. So let's see if we can get 20 subscribers. Anyways, with that fun stuff out of the way, let's get into the review. So, this is a high stimulant pre-workout. It has 333 milligrams of caffeine in it, which for me isn't a ton, but for other people that is a lot of caffeine. Some of the other ingredients it has in it, we'll go over the main ingredients. It has 6 grams of citrulline for pump, blood flow, boost nitric oxide levels. It has deer antler velvet in it, which supports accelerated recovery. Alpha size, which is clinically shown to sharpen mental focus. Estrogen, which is clinically shown to increase citrulline absorption up to 66%. And beta-alanine, which promotes strength, endurance, and muscle growth. When I took this pre-workout, I really liked it. I really felt like I had a lot more intensity in the gym. I felt like I could keep going with my workout. I felt stronger and like I just wanted to keep pushing myself. The mental focus was good. I think the combination of all the ingredients just helped me focus on working out, pushing more weight, going longer, and it just felt like a good clean energy, like I've mentioned before in some of my other workout or pre-workouts. I just really like the pre-workout overall. Crash off of it at either. It's a just nice steady energy for me. The other thing is it doesn't upset my stomach. Flavor that I got is Miami. Tastes like cocaine and hookers. Just kidding. I think it's like a pineapple, but the taste on it's pretty good too if you guys care about the taste. Now with any pre-workout, you're gonna build a tolerance to it over time and it won't have the same effect as it initially did. But for this one, I really like it and I plan on cycling this pre-workout in with all my other pre-workouts I'm taking. So if you guys like this review, feel free to hit a thumbs up. So I will see you guys in the next video.